Hello everyone, I'm Vernice, the host for KK Lee from OrangeTee and Thai AG Division. Today I'm so excited to show you this beautiful 3-story landed property at Woodmont Chill area. Let's go! When you first step in the gate, you'll be greeted by a dark green main door, which gives the house a sophisticated aura. The exterior of the house has a lot of space for children or pets to run around, and it's also a cozy spot for your morning coffee. Take a look at this spacious living and dining area. It's so thoughtfully designed. The open concept of the kitchen allows this place to blend together harmoniously. This well-lit house is both cozy and classy at the same time. For families with elders, there's a good-sized granny's room on this level for them to reside in, without having to worry about climbing up or down the stairs. This L-shaped kitchen with a huge island in the center, together with the classy Italian tile finishes, is every homeowner's dream. Moving on to the wet kitchen, it has a 3-burner stove against a featured backsplash, giving the space a pop of color. Moving on to the spacious master bedroom, it's both bright and cozy at the same time, thanks to its dark wooden floor finishes. My favorite part of this room will be the connecting stairs and door to your own private balcony. This master bedroom also comes with its own walk-in closet under the unique skylight panels. The master bath is everyone's dream bathroom, with his and hers basins, a rain shower, as well as a beautiful bathtub that allows you to relax and unwind. The bathroom is also nicely designed with Italian herringbone tiles, which are generously used across all the bathrooms. Moving on to the 3rd floor, it leads us to the family room, which is a great place for family activities, be it kids' games, poker, or even mahjong. Now, let's take a look at this huge entertainment room. Together with the other 4 bedrooms, they can be easily customized to your own needs, be it as your children's bedrooms, home office, or even as a gym. We hope you enjoyed the home tour for this amazing property, and do feel free to come and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and please do contact KK Lee at 8288-8216 for more details.